looks amazing. I don't know where to start. That does look good enough to eat, I can confirm. Oh my god, that's just the cutest. Hi guys, so for today's video I have an exciting one. I have this month's Fresh and Flowers box. Now you may or may not know I did have to cancel my subscription because I was getting both the Fresh and Flowers and the kitchen box and it was becoming a little bit too pricey for me, so I had to pick which one I would prefer, and I do prefer the kitchen, but the Fresh and Flowers is sadly missed in this household. I tell you, I do love the Fresh and Flowers, but we have one today. So this box was created by Lush Superfans. So you may or may not know, and you may or may not follow, I'm assuming you probably do follow them. 5 Lushies went to the Lush factory in Poole. They got to have a look around. They discussed Fresh and Flowers with the creators, and they designed their own box, which we have here. So the people that went is Victoria. She is Victoria Canavan on TikTok, and I think she's Queen of the Bath Bombs on Insta, and she does also upload to YouTube as well. We've got Self Care with Rachel, who uploads mainly on TikTok. She does some on YouTube and she's also on Insta as well. And then we have the Lush box, Weather Turning, and then Sarah Jameson MUA also went as well. She is a YouTuber as well. I'm sure you probably watch Sarah, I would have thought. She does fab videos. But we have the box that they created. Now I've seen what's inside this because a lot of them have posted it earlier in the month and it all looks absolutely stunning. They've done a fantastic job of creating this box and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So let's open her up and dig in. Are you gonna focus? Sort of. So they all come, every month it comes with your little name on, which I think is adorable. So let's open it up. That's what you get inside, your little doors. So here it says how to make your own paper boat, and then there is a little instruction leaflet there to make your own paper boat. Cute, cute. So we open it up. Wowza, this looks amazing. This Fresh box was thought up by Lush Superfans, Self Care with Rachel, Weather Turning, the Lush box, Sarah Jameson MUA, and Victoria Canavan. All on a very sunny day at Carey's secret garden after a whirlwind factory tour. They visited the Lush archive and a Fresh and Flowers making day where they made fresh products with herbs and vegetables picked that day from the garden. The Lush Superfans are experts on everything Lush, so please enjoy the fragrances, ingredients and products that they chose in this box. Ooh, this looks really good. Well done, guys. So that's what we've got. Looks beautiful. I'm praying that it's focusing. It looks like it is. I don't know where to start. I'm going to start with the Mrs. Whippy. So the first product we have is the Mrs. Whippy Fresh Face Mask. Look at that. Love the colours of the packaging. Oh, mine's got a bit of bath bomb on the front of it by the looks of it. Never mind. Let's open it up. This design, so it looks like that. I believe they were aiming for it to look like raspberry ripple ice cream, and that does look good enough to eat, I can confirm. Oh wow, that's beautiful. So it says a double-sided raspberry ripple inspired mask with softening coconut yogurt, fresh astringent raspberries, fresh moisturising banana, uplifting vanilla pod infusion, and calming calamine for sun-kissed skin. That was a mouthful. That smells really, really good. I think it shares a scent with something that I was meant to have a look at before I started filming, but I can't actually remember. So that smells really nice. It's a really sort of light, sweet smelling smell, like it's what you would associate with ice cream. It's just beautiful. I think it's the vanilla coming through in there, and obviously you've got the banana in there as well. Tonka Absolute Almond Essential Oil. It's a very nice scent. Very, very nice. Next up we have, what should I grab? I'll grab this one because it looks so fun. It's the Rocket Ice Lolly Bath Bomb. That's so cute. So in the UK we have ice lollies called Rocket Lollies. They're like a fruity, tropical sort of vibe. Like there's, I think they're meant to be 3 different flavours, but I don't think they are when you eat them. That's lovely. I can't remember if this is, what scent this is. Is it Passion? I don't think it is Passion. I'm not sure. I'll pop what scent this is meant to be around here for you guys. I'm not very good at associating scents with old scents of other products. I am sometimes, but sometimes I'm just rubbish at it. So the Rocket Lolly Bath Bomb, it says colourful bath art, soothing calamine and fruity powder. Citric acid with sodium bicarbonate forms the basis of our explosive bath bombs. When added to the water, it creates carbon dioxide, which causes a fizzing action. The scent of essential oils is heightened by the fizz. So ingredients wise, in there you've got citric acid, beetroot oil, Litsea cubiba oil, sweet wild orange, pineapple powder, lovely, strawberry powder, orange powder, cream of tartar. Oh, okay, so maybe each of these colours on here is their own scent, but it like merges together. Nice, we like that. I've seen the bath art of this as well, and it looks like a really pretty, nice, like pinky reddy bath. Obviously stay tuned, we'll try all these products out together on my shorts. I may do a long video of these ones actually because it's such a nice box. Next up, which I think is adorable, is the little Sandcastle foot scrub, I think this is. Sorry about my dry hands. They've gotten really bad recently. Like, I hate showing you them because they're all like dry. I think it's from having to wash them so much and hand sanitizer and stuff. So actually, no, that's a lie. This is called Life's a Beach Foot Scrub. It says soak your feet for a while and then scrub in circular motions with our beach-inspired sandy and mineral-rich sea salt scrub, and then rinse away. Ingredients in this, you have granulated sugar, potato starch, sand, wow, vanilla absolute, jasmine absolute, sandalwood, cocoa powder, nice. Let's give it a sniff. I think this one is a tiny bit crumbly, so I'm a little bit worried. I don't want to ruin it before I've tested it out. Oh my god, that's just the cutest. It looks like an actual sandcastle. That is a scent that I used to love when I was little. The memories are flooding back. Oh, that's really nice. So it's quite sweet with the vanilla and the tonka, and it's got cocoa powder in as well. That is really nice. That reminds me of like going to the beach and sun cream, like putting sunscreen on. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's what it's giving me. Like, it's reminding me of my mum a little bit, but that is precious. I can't get over how cute that is. So we have that, which I'm gonna wrap back up ASAP because it's got some moisturising factors in there, so it is a bit melty as well, and I don't want it to melt. So we'll pop you safely back in there. Next up, we've got, this one is adorable. It is the Emperor of Ice Cream Buttercream, which is melting, so I'll have to show you super quick. That's what it looks like. It's a sort of waffle cone pattern like you would get on an ice cream cone for a 99. A 99, if you're not from England, is like a coned waffle cone with Mr. Whippy, sorry, ice cream on top, like vanilla ice cream. Except then they used to be 99p when we were younger, but they're not anymore. They're like £6. It's terrible. But that's adorable. It's very, very melty, but that's going to be really nice. Look at the glitter. So this one says a softening and moisturising wash with hydrating macadamia oil, humectant maple syrup and moisturising mango butter. And in that one you've got vanilla pod infusion, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, maple syrup, cocoa butter. So you've got loads of moisturising bits in there to leave your skin soft and lovely. You've got jasmine absolute, lavender absolute, extra virgin coconut oil. You've got so much in this one. Ylang ylang oil, macadamia nut oil. There's loads going on in there. Let's give it a wee sniff. That's really quite mild, like a nice mild scent that's not too strong, which is nice. It won't overpower all your other bits that you use in the bath, because I would put this on towards the end of my bath or shower, so it leaves that moisture on your arms or legs or whole body. So it is mainly giving me like vanilla, very light vibes, not too strong at all. That's a really nice lightweight scent though. Sorry, I've just realised I've got yellow on my hands. I've just filmed a Minions video before this and I've popped this on my hand and I've only wiped it off with a little cotton pad, so it's still on my skin. But you're like, why is she yellow? Next up we have, I feel like there's loads in this box, a dusting powder. It comes in a little, what's this called? Wax paper. Looks like that. So you get it in a little, dusting bag. Super cute. And then you sort of puff it on the skin. Ooh, that smells really nice. So this is, did I say it was called Mint Choc Chip? I think it is called that. It's called Chocolate Mint Dusting Powder. And I can confirm that does just smell like chocolate mint. It reminds me of an After Eight, one of the little chocolates you get at Christmas. So for the dusting powder, it says, get dried off and put your little dusting powder pouch all over your body, made with cooling powders such as cucumber, matcha green tea and fresh mint with our maypole fragrance to revive. So that's maypole fragrance. So in there you've got tapioca starch, calamine powder, green tea powder, fresh mint, lovely, cucumber powder, peppermint oil and aloe vera powder. You've got loads in there, so that'll be really nice after the bath. Say it's quite hot and muggy and sticky and you don't feel like putting a lotion on, you can pop that on just to dry yourself out and give you that nice little silky feeling instead. I think that's going to be really, really nice. Next up, we've got some eye pads. These are little bananas. How cute are they? Let's have a little look at these. I think these ones might have a scent, you know, because I don't think the iPads usually have a scent. Some do, I think, but not all of them. Yeah, so they do have a scent. They smell like banana. I can't do this. Can you see? That is really difficult for me to show. They're little bananas, essentially, which is really, really cute. And yeah, they do just smell very mildly of banana, which is lovely. So we've acquired a child and I've just filmed this without it actually filming. So I'm gonna have to film it again. Never mind. I can't remember where we left off. I think it was the iPads. So in the under eye pads, you've got banana skin infusion, fresh aloe gel, carrageenan extract. Basically pop them on when you get out of the fridge. Pop them on straight out of the fridge. They'll have a nice cooling effect and hydrate your under eye area, which is wonderful, just what you want. Then, I think this was the last bit, we have the two little plant items in this month's box, which I think are fab. We've got a German chamomile plant, which says plant me, and we've got a little piece of aloe vera gel. So if you've got any of these pots knocking around, you can plant it in that, which is what I'm going to do because I think it's really cute. And the aloe gel you can use on your hair, your face, your body, anywhere. Aloe gel is just really good for pretty much everything. So yeah, that's the whole box. Well done, guys. It's actually amazing. Really, really well thought out. You've done a wonderful job. Yeah, I'm really excited to try all this out. It does just feel like a British summer in a box, which is amazing because we're not actually having much of a summer at the moment. It is very dull and drab all the time. We have a bit of sun every now and again, but more often than not, it's cloudy. But never mind, we have this box now. This can be our little summer in a box. I'm excited. I think it's fabulous. Let me know what your guys' favourite product is. He's just knocked a box out with peanuts everywhere. Rude, why you gotta trash everything? Say hi, we haven't seen you in a while. Hey, yo. Grumpy. What's going on with your hair? You look like a little old man with your little quiff. Let me know what your guys' favourite product is out of that one. I'm really struggling to pick. I do like the Buttercream, but also the bath bomb and the face mask and the dusting powder. Oh my god, the little sandcastle, I forgot about that. Just scratch that, I like it all. Just let me know if you guys have a favourite product, even though it is really hard to pick a favourite. Love chatting to you guys as always, so do leave me a comment. And I'll see you all soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.